In this video, I'll show you how to make a Facebook post private so only the people you choose can see it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. If you want to make a new post private, tap the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your feed to start creating a post. After writing your post or adding a photo, look just under your name where you will see the audience setting, such as public, friends, or another option. Tap on that audience button to open the privacy menu. Here you will see different options for who can see your post. To make the post private, select Only Me if you want the post to be visible only to you, or choose Friends if you want only your friends to see it. After selecting your preferred audience, tap Done, then publish your post by tapping Post. If you want to change the privacy of a post you already shared, go to your profile and find that post. Tap the three dots on the top corner of the post, then tap Edit Privacy. Choose Only Me or another audience option, and the change will apply instantly. Now your post will only be visible to the people you selected. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.